Trees like this need a stake, that is that wood, and this gives them support for accidental hitting of it. It will not be damaged, but it has to be connected in a way to it. So that's where the cable tie is used for. Cable tie, something that can be used. I will show you what is it. I'm going to unbox it now. This is unboxing of a set of ties, tree ties that I got for our trees to connect them to the stake, the supporting wood. So let's open and see what is inside. Oh, okay, these are the cable ties. Oh, nice, soft and rubbery. So let's go and attach one of these. So the way it is, you start from the tree, you turn the cable, pass it through this hole, then from the other side take the end of the cable and bring it here. The other end must be on this side, and then you turn it like this and it passes through, and that's it. These two are joined now, and that's one cable tie. Now I have to do 5 more. So again, I show you, this is the cable tie. I put it around the tree, then I pass it through this hole, this one which I'm pointing to. Okay, I have passed it through the hole. I bring the tap to this side, and I come from this side and pass it through this other hole, the slit. The slit is this one. No, cable tie is holding the tree. And as you can see here, the cable tie makes an H-like figure, or the sign for and. And this holds the tree and the stake together.